I'm going to be doing a chicken boil. Being from Louisiana, a lot of people do seafood boil, but I decided that I'm going to do a chicken boil. I'm not going to use any seafood. I just wanted to video it and show you guys how I'm doing it. The ingredients I got sausage, I got lemon, potatoes, onion, garlic, and I'm using these Reynolds kitchen oven bags. I'm going to put all my ingredients in here. I got butter, I got corn, and I got my garlic. And I got only one egg. I forgot to get the eggs because I wanted to do some eggs with it, but oh well. We'll just go ahead and work with what we got. You know, I'm sure it's going to be good. Right now I'm cutting up. I do not own the rights to the music that you hear playing. I'm going to cut up me some sausage. Put this over here. Go ahead and cut up me some sausage. And I got a whole chicken too. I'm going to use a whole chicken. How's everybody today? Today is Sunday. We did our prayer. And I'm starting this a little bit late. Just got a late start today. But thank God we're starting. My other thing is falling here. Yeah, just got a late start. Hope you can see it. The lighting ain't too good, but I think I should put this down like I got this one so we can see better. Yeah, you see better now. You can't see me, but you can see. What I'm doing. Yeah, okay, that's better for that one. I'm recording on two things in case one of them mess up. I'll catch it on my other one. Okay, got my sausages here. Go ahead and do this up with it. I got a wood cutting board. I like wood cutting boards better. I have some other ones, but this has become my favorite. Yeah, it's become my favorite. I know a lot of people aren't feeling too good. This is something, once I get it going, I can just kind of let it basically get in that oven and cook itself. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put that in my bowl. I already cleaned that. Okay, got my sausage. I also got my butter. I don't know if you can see it. Trying not to waste it. With my butter in here. Let me go ahead and put some seasoning in here. I'm going to just season it. Oh, no, what I want to season, I want to use this Louisiana boil. That's what I want to use. Now, I got Zarantine shrimp in. This is strong. You don't need a lot. This is strong. It got a kick to it, so you do not need a lot. I'm going to do a teaspoon. A tablespoon. I'm going to do a tablespoon because this is powerful. What I'm going to do with this, I'm going to stir this up into my garlic, into my butter. I'm going to stir it up and just let that kind of be sitting there. And I did put a little seasoned salt in it, but we ain't gonna fuss about it. I was intending to put that on my chicken, but we ain't gonna fuss about it. Yes, 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 yes. Everybody's day is going good so far. My day is going good, you know. Can't complain. I'm not feeling 100%, but I'm going to put this over to the side. I'm not feeling too bad. Let me wipe this off. I'm going to have my meat on it. I really won't wipe that off. It's not going to hurt because it's all going to be up in there together, but for the sake of unless I'm, for the chef that may be looking and the real cooks that's looking, we're going to wipe that off. Let me do onion. Now this use onion and I didn't get a chance to put it in the refrigerator. I just went and brought this fresh from the store. Yeah. And, we had a prayer today. And what the Lord said to me he said pray, Pray, so that you don't become Prey. You know, a lot of us uh, believe that it's the new year has come in, and so we're trying not to fall for the things we fell for, what we call in that last cycle or in that last season. I'm just going to cut up this onion here. So we definitely need to pray more. We definitely need to get a prayer life. Pray for your children, loved ones, pray for your friends, your community. You know, I often pray for Kim Hill and Carolyn. These are two people that the Lord gave me to intercede on behalf, and I do that. And I try to be faithful to that. Be faithful to, you know, the things that you are predestined to do. You want to be faithful to these things because, you know, they say, the richest place on earth is not the stock market. It's just a graveyard where people die with their purpose. People die with their dreams. They die with their vision. The wealthiest place is the graveyard. I want you to think about that. Let that set in. Let me find something. I guess I'll go ahead and put it in here. This is all going to go. And I have washed my hands. And now let me do some garlic. I usually take that end of the knife and I smash my garlics. Makes them easy to peel. You may have a different method, and it may, you know, be better for you. Oh, what is this here on here? This thing is playing, but we ain't gonna listen to that right now. I guess we'll just talk. Because this thing sometimes pops up on different things, but we just gonna talk again. I don't own the rights to the music that you heard playing. So we don't want any copyright infringement. Take that. I'm videoing you guys. Thought I heard somebody coming in. Oh yeah. There's a video that I did today, prayer. It was recorded a different way, so I just rewind it. Okay. I also got my lemon, you guys, and I haven't yet. I'm gonna season my chicken, and this thing act like it's got my oven already preheated, because even though it's called chicken boil or seafood boil, it's baked. It's baked. It's not boiled. It's baked in a bag, and it usually comes out pretty delicious. But you be the judge of that. Again, with that seafood boil, you don't use a lot of that because it has a kick in it. It has a lot of ingredients in it, and it does have a kick. And might be too spicy. So again, we want to be careful with that. But like I was back to that, we really need to get a prayer life because there's just so much going on. The children they're not like we were. You know, when our parents said stuff, we might didn't like it and we mumbled on our breath. I can't stand her. I can't wait to get out of here. But guess what? We listened to them and we did what they said because we had a level of respect. And we need to get that. We need to get that back and then put it within our children. You know, I was just thinking how sometimes, you know, you tell your child, you don't have to listen to her. She ain't your mama. So when adults try to correct your child, they'll say, you ain't my mama. I don't have to listen to you. And then now they ain't listening to those adults. Now they ain't listening to you. But whose fault is that? Whose fault is that? That your children are not listening or respecting others. Whose fault is that? It's not society's fault. Sometimes it starts at home. A lot of times it starts at home because you taught them, unbeknown to yourself, to be disrespectful to elders or to their adults. And so now you can't do nothing with them. Now you calling the police to try to come and get them again, because now you can cut this up. Some people do. I think let's cut it up a little bit. Let's cut it up. I don't know, have you ever baked garlic? Take some garlic, put in a little olive oil and a little butter, and bake it. Oh my God. You talk about good. Good. It is good. It gets all soft, and all you got to do is just dip it in your bread, or take it and put it over your bread. Again, I'm at home. I'm cooking for my family. And wipe this off for those of you who feel like I should. But again, it's all going in the same pie hole. Okay, now I'm gonna do my garlic. Let me wipe my knife off. Wipe my knife off. Cut up my onion. My lemon. Cutting up my lemon. I'm not gonna cut the skin off. I'm gonna leave it on there. I'm gonna leave it on there. You can if you want to. I'm gonna leave it on there. Okay, got that. Got my potatoes. I've already washed them off. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in there. But like I said, I've already washed them off. And I'm putting them in that bowl for a reason. Now I have me some corn. I'm gonna cut up me some of these corn. And again, I only have one egg. Let me go ahead and do, because I do love corn. I'm gonna try to cut this. Well, I'm gonna just leave it whole because it's acting. Don't want to be cut. So okay, we got our corn. We got everything. We got our sausage. Now, this is my season with my butter. I'm going to take that and do it like this. I'm going to stir up my butter and my Louisiana season, and I'm going to pour it. I'm going to take it and pour it. See? I'm going to pour it all on there, and I'm going to just mix it all up together. I'm going to mix it so it can get all up on everything. I'm mixing now. I'm mixing. If you feel like you didn't have enough, go ahead and do you some more. I'm mixing it all up so it can get mixed up in there. I'm smelling it now. I'm smelling the onion. I'm smelling it. Smelling the garlic. I'm smelling the corn. I'm smelling the sausage. But I'm mixing it all up together. Mixing it up together. Okay. And I'm going to put this over here. Now, I'm going to take my chicken. I'm going to lightly season my chicken with some seasoned salt. This is Martin's. I tend to use it. I'm going to lightly season it because I already got some season on there. I'm going to turn this whole chicken over. Turn it over. Yeah, I had a productive day. And drank me a bottle of water. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of my ingredients here, and we're going to stuff. We're going to stuff. Take it and stuff it in there. Them onions. We're going to take it and do us some stuffing. Stuff. Mm-hmm. Okay. I already have my oven preheated. And I forgot to get my roasting pan. I gotta get that. I don't have to put the top on it. Where's my roasting pan now? Or should I use this? I can. And I'm going to take my bag. This is my bag. I'm going to take one of them. I'm going to put all my ingredients in the bag. And this is the size for like a turkey. My thing seems like it didn't fail. I gotta find it. This is I don't need it. It opens. I'm gonna go ahead and put my chicken in there. Now I'm gonna take my other ingredients. Come in here. Oh, we're done. All we gotta do is let it cook and do what it do. Let it cook and do what it's going to do. I got only one egg, and guess what? We're going to use that egg. We're going to go ahead and tie it up here. Oh, here it is. They got a little thing here that helps this bag to stay. We're going to go ahead and put it through the little hole. Just going to pull it. See how I pulled that there? Now, I'm going to take a fork. Wash that off, take the fork. I'm going to put 6 holes in there. Get that. Put it in like a turkey. Put it in our oven. And let it cook. And we'll be back to